How to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your services. Search for your services and you need to open it up, and now you need to click on any one of these services and then type W, and after that you need to scroll down and you will have an option of Windows Update. You just need to simply click on Windows Update, right click on it, go with Properties. Under Properties you will have the startup type. You need to go with Disabled and you need to apply and then OK, and after that it will be disabled. You will disable your automatic Windows updates. Once you've done with that, now the next thing you need to do is right click on your Windows and then go with Run section. Now once you open up your Run, you need to type in Regedit, which is Regedit, and then go with OK, and it will open up your Registry Editor. Here you just need to simply go with Computer, HK Local Machine, enlarge your HK Local Machine, and under HK Local Machine you need to go with the Software section, enlarge your software, and under Software you need to go with Policies. So scroll down and you will have Policies under your software, which is right here, enlarge the Policies, and here you will have Microsoft, enlarge the Microsoft, and you can go with Windows, and under Windows here you may have the Windows Update option. You just need to simply enlarge the Windows Update, and under your Windows Update you will have the AU section. You need to go with AU, and here on the right side you will have NoAutoUpdate. But if you don't have that, then what you need to do, and if you don't have the Windows Update, then what you need to do is just simply go with Windows, right click on it, go with New, go with Key, and then you need to enter a new folder as Windows Update. But in my case I already have it, so I'll not be entering anything. So once you rename it as Windows Update, you need to again click on Windows Update, go with the right click, go with New, and then go with Key, and again enter the key as AU. Once you're done with the creating folder of AU, you need to again go with the right space, right click on it, go with New, go with the word 32-bit value, and you need to rename it as NoAutoUpdate, which I have here on the upper side. And you need to double click and open it up. And now here, if your value data has 0, then you just need to simply remove the value data as 0 and then go with 1. And once you go with 1, then it will be disabled. Go with OK and your Windows Update will be disabled. So that's how you can disable your Windows automatic updates on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.